What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. So today's first stock that we're breaking down is Tesla, or TSLA. I have like 10 or 14 stocks that I have to break down to you today. So keep putting them stocks below that you want me to break down. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. It means a lot to me. It allows me to make these contents every day in the morning. But let's go ahead and dive in. So where I found these lines, I will explain in a second. We start from the daily time frame so we can see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. We don't want to start from a smaller time frame because then we'll be trading in a vacuum and basically ultimately trading blind. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into exactly where we're at right now. So right now we're at 727. We're about down almost 2%, you guys. But where are we almost down 2% on? If you look, we're almost down 2% onto minor support. This bottom line down here represents a major support line that has been tested at the lowest area, and we can test that by looking left. We have these three candlesticks hitting in this area and then ultimately bouncing up, hitting our minor resistance. We have this candlestick here and this candlestick here, ultimately coming up and hitting our minor resistance. We look right, we have all these other ones over here. We have this candlestick, it's on the opposite side, but that just works as resistance. But once it breaks through that, it comes back down. It's going to work as a floor, basically our support. We can keep looking left and we can see all of these candlesticks riding on our major support line. And then we have all the ones on the opposite side. And then obviously, let me zoom out. Up here is our highly tested, or our highest tested level that's been, that's our resistance. And we can test that by following it back down here where our major support line was. It came up, hit our major resistance, pulled back, kind of consolidated, came back up, hit our resistance, failed, pulled back. Ultimately did this about 2 more times until it all the way, or pulled back all the way down to our major support line. So that brings us to where we're at right now. So once we cleared this minor resistance, we broke out, came up, and now are pulling back into our major support line. So this shows that we're creating an uptrend. So this line over here represented that we were in a downtrend. We broke that, and now we're starting to create this uptrend, which is a good sign, you guys. We're creating higher lows, and we're about to touch this minor support line. So your best entry could be right when we come back down and test this minor support level. That's around the 711. You could also get in maybe around 718, as long as you have your stop loss on the opposite side, that being down here at the 700 level. I would give it some room just in case we have a candlestick wick peekaboo through this level. Do I believe that we'll break back down through here? No, I don't. I truly believe that we'll come back down here, hit our minor support, bounce off, and create this uptrend that we're seeing. So your first target as a swing trader or day trader would probably be back up here at the previous highest point that we were at was at the 771. So that'd be a good move. You're moving up $70 from your initial entry. If you're a core trader or a long-term investor, like I said, you'd be the same. The entry would still be back down here at this minor support level, and then you put your stop loss on the opposite side of this minor support level just to protect your assets if things do go sour. Except your target would be a lot higher. It'd be back up here at the maybe 840 or 880 area. And if you guys like these videos that I break down really quick just to kind of give you an idea of what you're looking at, then please hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos that I post daily. But other than that, you guys, like I said, just wait for this initial pullback to test in this area. You still can get in right now as long as you have your stop loss below this minor resistance, like I said, around the 700 or 710 level. But other than that, you guys, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading, and stay tuned for the next video today.